chapter number 2. This is the chapter number 2. This is the page number in your textbook, right? Show me thumbs up if you are all on the same page. Vedant, Danya, Jigar Singh, why you every time need the reminder that teacher has to tell you turn on your camera? Turn on your camera, everyone. Yes, please go. Sit with your camera on in the entire period. If I see any child's camera off, I'll remove you from my class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm going to washroom, so my
I've
camera will
already.
be off.
Okay, I already told. Please go. Everyone, sit with your
Ma'am,
camera on, please. Yes, please drink. Otherwise, I will directly remove you from my class. No need to sit in my class. Everyone, open this page number 13, chapter number 2. Start reading, Tej Kumar. What is written on this textbook? Start reading.
Yes. Guess the distance between any two dots. How many
Everyone, start putting
centimeters is it?
fingers and keep on reading
How
along with.
measure it with the help of a scale? Did you guess right? Which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Check your answer. Which two dots are nearest to each other? Check your answer.
Okay, so those who have joined now, again, I'm repeating for them. We are not doing revision today. We are doing textbook exercises. Today and tomorrow, we will do textbook exercises. Then our chapter will get complete. And on Saturday, I will take a CT of this chapter. I have already posted in the classroom that you will get the message what all the topics we have covered already in this chapter. Start preparing. On Saturday is your CET of this chapter. Am I clear with you all? Saturday is your CET. Start preparing. What all the topics we have covered till now will be asked in your CET. Any doubts about CET? Can I move?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay. So as Tej Kumar was reading, guess the distance between any two dots. So Manya, can you guess the distance between any two dots and name any two dots that you are guessing the distance of which two dots?
1 minute, ma'am.
No, don't measure it with the scale. Just only guess.
Okay. L to K.
L to K. Okay, can you tell me what will be approximately the distance between L to K?
Ma'am, 7 centimeter.
Okay, now take the ruler and measure it. Is it
Okay.
exactly the same? You children also take any two dots and first guess and then start measuring with the ruler that whether exactly you getting the same distance. I am requesting to everyone. First
Ma'am,
guess.
it's 7.5.
It is?
7.5.
But you were near about, right?
Ma'am, it is 7.5. Ma'am, it is MNG.
M and G. Who is measuring M and G?
Ma'am, I did.
Okay. Can tell me first guess the distance between M to G?
Ma'am, it can 10 centimeter.
Now start measuring with the ruler exactly what it is coming. Anay, are you doing this activity? Which two dots you are taking?
Ma'am, it's 9.4 or 5 centimeter. Ma'am, D and I.
Okay. So children, this way first you guess the distance and then you measure it. Then you get the idea how much you are correct, right? As Dania said that she measures 7, she guessed 7 centimeter. But the distance exactly with the ruler was 7.5. So we can say that her guessing was correct because she was approximately right. There is no much difference. She had not guessed that 4 centimeter and the distance is 7 centimeter.
I think 1 centimeter.
Which distance between two dots?
D and I.
D to
I.
I. B to I or D to I?
D for dog.
D to I 1 centimeter. Now take the ruler and start measuring.
Ma'am, हमारे K and H. Ma'am, it's 2.5.
Yes.
Near it. See, he was nearest to it.
No, he was not near. It was much more different. 1 centimeter and the 2.5 is a big difference. Double हो गया,
Ma'am,
right?
I did the HNO and it is 9.5 meters.
H2O. First, you need to guess whether you are correct or not after measuring. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, and it is 10.5.
Okay. Now, what do you think the distance between which two dots are furthest? Far किसका है? सबसे ज़्यादा distance can you measure?
M and yes. Ma'am, D and H.
D and H. Measure and measure from O to K also. I think O to K is the longer distance, or the we can say farthest. So you also measure and find which two dots have the
Ma'am, G to K. G to K.
D to K. How much it is? How many centimeters?
Ma'am, I'm checking.
Okay, please check.
Ma'am, it is 7.2. Ma'am, it is 10 centimeters. Ma'am, H to D.
Okay. Okay, this way you can try.
9.5.
Okay, this way you try. Take two dots and measure their distance and find out the which two dots are more far compared to the others. Okay, this is just an activity so that you can learn how to measure the distance. Clear?
Ma'am, it is M and G. Ma'am, G and M.
And G to M. G to M.
G to M.
It's coming how much?
9.5 centimeter.
11 centimeter.
9.5 centimeter.
Okay, let me also check. I also have a ruler. Let me check.
Ma'am, I have also one. K to H.
K to H.
Yeah, I think there's a 6. I think it's 6.
No, K to H is 6.5 something.
G to H.
So I think K to H. Okay, stop.
Ma'am, G to K.
Stop. Let me speak now. I think D to H is the more far, and J to K is no. It's around 9.5 or something. So I can say it's 9. G to K is 9. So I can say D to H is the more far, and O to D is the near. O to D or F and M. Which one is the more near? F and M or O to D? Just write in the chat box.
Then you can measure GM.
Now go to the next one. Turn the page now, everyone. This activity we have done, we know how to measure the distance between the two dots, or the two, like understood how to measure the distance and find out which is far and which is near. Understood the concept, how to find out far and near. If the distance is more, if the distance is more, the distance is far. If it is the distance is less, then we can say it is near. Now go to the next topic, page number 14. Manya, can you read this for us?
Yes, ma'am. The short line. Akbar was a famous king.
You all know who was Akbar?
Yes,
who all
ma'am.
was Akbar? Akbar was a
Akbar was the king.
king. He was a king. Okay. Next, start reading. Continue.
He had a smart minister called Bilbil.
Minister.
Sorry. Once
You all know
Akbar-
early days the kings were keeping the ministers with us.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? That in Hindi it is called praja, or they keep.
Yes.
They only work according what the king. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is still on and that child is moving around. Jiga Singh, sit properly at one place. Vedant, turn on your camera. Otherwise, I'm going to leave you now. Grant, remove you now. Grant and Dhyan Patel, please turn on your camera. Kashvi, turn on your camera. Vedant, I request you not to turn off your camera in between the class.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have read this story in the Akbar Birbal story.
Yes, there are many Akbar Birbal stories, and Akbar was the king, and Birbal, he's a very clever minister. So now let's see how he is doing. He had a smart minister. We can call it as a smart, also not clever. He's a smart. He give always smart answer to king. Whenever the king asks something, then he always give the smart answers to him. Yes, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. Birbal.
You children also draw any measurement line on the in your notebook, in any of your notebook.
Birbal. Here is a line. Make it shorter without erasing.
Now stop. What do you think that Akbar is saying? Mute yourself, Manya. Akbar is saying, I want everyone stable. Look here. Look here, everyone. Stop doing anything. Put it down, everything. Put it down. And listen here. Akbar told Birbal that look here, I have drawn one line here on the floor. Now, your task is to make it shorter without erasing. Will it be possible?
Can I say, ma'am, please, ma'am?
Yes, Vedant, tell me.
Ma'am, Akbar's line can be shorter by without erasing. People will draw a longer line than Akbar's.
Yes.
It is done in the picture. That's why. Yes, ma'am.
You have done in the he has done in the which, where?
Ma'am, it is in Hindi. Of it also.
Okay. Can any one child will speak so that I can hear it properly?
Ma'am, in Hindi also we have read this chapter.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was thinking. Ma'am, it is in picture.
Can you think some other ideas? Niva was
Ma'am, I
saying.
was only thinking what is this, and then when I looked at the picture carefully, then I saw that Birbal is drawing a line, then I understood. Okay.
Yes, Bieber also started what? Without erasing, because he said without erasing. There was no other condition. He says only one condition only Bieber put. Sorry.
I have one more way.
Hey, wait a minute. Akbar only put one condition that you can make a bigger line without erasing this line. So, as you know that Birbal is the intelligent. Wait, Aradhya. Birbal is very intelligent. He was very smart. What he did, he drew one more line which is bigger to the Akbar line and say, now you can see this is longer than this one without erasing. Got it? Yes, Vihan has to tell us the one more idea. Yes, Vihan.
He said that make it shorter, but he didn't say that. He can put anything in upon that, then he can see. Then he don't know there is more longer or shorter. That's why.
He should put one more condition that you need to make the same line longer. Yes?
Oh.
But if the same line longer without erasing, no, he should put a condition that make it shorter to the same line only, but without erasing. That it will be very difficult. But he did not put that condition. He said you make this line longer without erasing. So what he did a one more longer line and he said now automatically your line is shorter than this line. Anna, yes or no? So this way you can try more puzzle activities and you can ask from your friends also, now do this. Then this way what happened? Your brain will become more smarter and sharper. Got it? There is no much idea behind this activity. Only the idea is see how smart people work. Go to the next picture. Now, Niva will read. Niva, What is given down? Try this activity. Now everyone try this. I'm going to present my screen and I will show you how you need to try it. Yes, Niva, start reading by the time I present my screen and show them.
Yes. Make the first line. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm.
Yes. Will it be possible, children? Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. See, left arm is already there drawn. So what are you guessing? What is the length of the left arm?
Ma'am, 2 centimeter.
Okay. If the
Ma'am,
left
first-
arm is...
Ma'am, first we measure the the right arm, then we put the left arm 1 centimeter longer.
Yes. First start measuring what is the distance, what is it is given. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. So left arm is already there. Measure the left arm.
Ma'am, it is 1.3 meter.
1.3.
1.3.
Okay. 1.3 centimeters. So now from this 1.3 add one more. So how much will be your right arm?
1.4.
Now?
Ma'am, 1.4.
1.4.
1.3 plus 1 you will do. It will be 1.4.
Ma'am, 2.3. Ma'am, 2.3.
2.3. So start drawing.
To draw in the book.
Yes, in the book only. This way, wait, I'll present my screen and I'll show you. This way it look like. They have, can you see? They have guessed that this is 2 and this will be more 1 longer, then it will be 3. But as you are measuring with the ruler properly, so whatever the length you have measured, according to that 1 centimeter longer. Got it, everyone? Now next is draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. Now first you need to measure what is the length of this cup. What is the length of the cup which is given?
2.1 or 2 meter. 2.3 or 4.
2.3
Yes.
or you need to draw one more cup which is 1 centimeter shorter than this. It will be how much then?
1.3.
So you know what operations you are doing. Now be quiet. You know what operations you are doing. To find longer, you are doing addition. To find shorter, you are doing subtraction, which you have already learned. And how to put the values, as you did before, you were telling 1.4 plus 1 is 1.3 plus 1 is 1.4, which you were doing wrong because you were not writing the units numbers properly. Okay. So after doing that, you told me that it will be 2.4 because you have written the number before after the number. Same way, Vivan Dobaria, Vihan, please mute your mic. And now when you are finding about the length of the cup, which operation you are doing now here?
Ma'am, subtraction.
Subtraction, because you are making now shorter cup. If you say the length of the cup is 2.2 or 2.3, 1 centimeter when you less, you will get the shorter cup. Means you are subtracting here. Got it, everyone? So this way it will look like when you draw a small cup near to it, which is 1 centimeter shorter than this. You can draw this way and it is shorter. Now same go to the broom. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. First you measure this. What is the length of this broom? Who will tell me what is the length of the broom?
4.5.
4.5.
1.5.
1.5 it can't be. Measure Jigar Singh again.
4.5.
Ma'am, 4.5.
Ma'am, 0
4.5.
0 to 4, 3.5.
0 to? No, it is 4.5.
1.5.
4.5. Measure the broom, Aradhya, again. Measure it again. And if it is 4.5, what is the half of 4.5?
Ma'am, 2.5.
Yes,
Ma'am, 2.5.
Yeah, ma'am, it is 4.5 only.
No.
1.4.
No. What is the half of 4.5?
Ma'am, 2.5.
2.5.
When you add, okay, all are saying 2.5.
3.5.
Wait. All are saying 2.5. Anna, your answer is so completely wrong. 3.5 cannot be the half of 4.5. First, what you do? You do the half of 2. Oh, sorry. You do the half of 4. What it is? 2. Half of 0.5.
2.5 is.
Half of 0.5. It will nearly come about between 2 and 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So it will be what? 2.2 or 2.3 you can take. Got it, everyone? How to find the half?
2.5. Yes. 2.
Manya, if you do 2.5,
Yes,
no? So 2.5 plus 2.5 will be 5 centimeters.
Okay.
But it is not 5 centimeters. It is 4.5 centimeters. Okay?
Then we can write 2.2.
2.2 or 2.3 it can go. Now this way I'll show you the screen, and this way you can draw the broom. Now draw another hair double the length. You know, we are doing all the operations here. We did addition here, and when we draw the cup we did subtraction here. When we draw the broom we did division here, because we are dividing. Whenever we find the half of any number, we always divide it by 2. When 4.5 you divide by 2, you will get the answer. And now we are doing the multiplication. Draw another here, double the length. Double the length means when we are finding double of any number, what we have to do? Multiply by 2. Half of any number, divide by 2. Double of any number, multiply by 2. If the length is 4, what is the double of 4?
8.
8. Double of any number, multiply by 2. Half of any number, divide by 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is half of 8? Half of 8, Niva?
4.
Half of 10, Dhyan? Half of 10, Dhyan?
Half of 10 is 5. 5.
5.
4.
And Manya, half of 12?
Half of 12.
6. 6.
6. Vihan Dobaria, double of 6?
Double of 6 is 11. 12.
Vedant, double of 14? Vedant, double of 14?
28.
Ma'am, 28.
28. 14 2s are 28. Double means multiply by 2. And you have to say,
the answer of that.
you need to say that table 2 times. Am I clear? Let me take attendance for a minute and then we continue.
Ma'am, I know the answer. The length is 0.4 or 5.
Wait a minute. So children, the basic concept behind this activity that we are learning all the operations. We have done addition operation when we are drawing the hands, when we are drawing the cup, we have done subtraction operation. When we are drawing the broom, we have done division. And when we are drawing the hair, we are learning the multiplication, double. Double of any number, multiply by 2. Half of any number, divide by 2. Half of 16, Ane? Half of 16?
8.
8. Very good. Next child, Bhavya Sagar. Double of 9. Bhavya Sagar, double of 9. 18. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes. Can I move now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
go to the page number 15, everyone. What is given on page number 15? Who will read? Vedant will read for us. Mute your mic. Vedant, read. Page number 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading fast.
How tall have you grown? Do you remember?
Now it is coming with your heights. How tall you have grown. How many, please raise your hands. How many of you have measured your lengths in the grade 3? When you were in grade 3, is there any child who had measured the length? Is there any child?
I have measured the length, but I forgot what was it.
Forgot. Okay. So what you do is, it is saying that, do you remember in the class 3 measure your height? Do you think you have grown taller? Okay, if you have not even measured also, so do you think that you have grown up? Naturally, आप थोड़े बहुत तो grow हुए ही होंगे, क्या 5 सेंटीमीटर ही grow हुए हो. Am I clear? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant, I think you're playing with your device. Sometimes the mic gets on, sometimes the camera gets off. Opposite it is going on. We say mic off, you keeping mic on. We say camera off, you keep camera on, you keep camera off. It is going on opposite. So take a note of it that you need to take care of your device. Am I clear? Next. Now, see here on my screen, I'll show you. Do you remember that in the class 3, you measure your height? Do you think you have grown taller? How much taller? If you have not measured, you can guess and you can write the answer. For example, I'll give you some examples here. Suppose maybe your height in the grade 3 was 140 centimeters. This is, now we are doing with the assumptions. If you have not measured, we are doing on the assumptions. Please write down. In the grade 3, you were 140 centimeters. But when you grow and you came in the grade 4, your height becomes changes and you grow a little bit. So now your height is 152 centimeters.
Ma'am.
So how much you grow?
Ma'am.
Vihan, yes.
12 centimeters. Ma'am, 12 centimeters longer.
When I 1 year more, I almost grow 1,000 centimeter close.
1,000?
No, means to 500.
1,000 to 500 centimeters? My dear, I am also not that much centimeter long.
500 to closer to 500.
My dear, I am also not that centimeter.
Ma'am.
Your maximum height will not be it will not go more than 200 centimeters. My height around 160.
I have traveled 500 kilometers.
Jigar Singh, your height will come in the kilometer?
No, ma'am.
Then why you say using the word kilometer here?
Ma'am, I was in church. I was 8 years old.
Now listen, everyone. Children, thus just we are learning the concept behind it to the addition and subtraction. If your height in the grade 3 was 142 centimeters, and now in the grade 4 your height is 152 centimeters. So how many centimeters you grown up?
Ma'am, 12.
142 and 152 is the difference of 12.
No, ma'am.
Find out.
10 centimeters.
10 centimeter. Yes. That's why I tell you, take patience, take your time, give the correct answer. By taking time, it's no problem. but think and then tell. Be like this smart like Birbal. Okay. Now, have your friends also grown taller? What do you think? Your friends also got taller?
Yes.
Yes. So write yes answer. It depends on you if you want to write yes or no. So have your friends grown taller? Yes. Go to the next one. Now comes find out and fill the table. It is there in your book like this. This table is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the logic behind this? Why we are going to do this table? ऐसी ये table हमें करने के लिए क्यों मिला है? It is written friend's name, last year's height, this year heights, and find the how many centimeter they grown up. What is the logic behind this? Why we are going to learn this table? क्यों कर रहे हैं हम इस table को? Which operation we are going to learn here?
Ma'am,
Who will tell me? We are going to learn addition and subtraction. All the operation will come here, right? Addition and subtraction. Sometime what happened? Maybe, yes, we are going to do, see, here you are learning what operation? You are finding out the difference between this last year's and this year's. So you write, when you write this year's first and last year's next, you will see that 10 centimeters it is grown up, means you are finding the difference. That is why we are recalling and revising our which operation here? Subtraction of meter and centimeters. Am I clear? That is why it is given here in the book. So we have to recall this concept. ऐसे ही नहीं दी हुई है कोई भी activity. All activities have some logic behind it. Okay. If I directly only teach you, it will not be, I have already taught you how to do the subtraction, how to find the difference. That is where we are now coming on the activities which are given in the textbook. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, in this time, you cannot go outside and meet with your friends. So in place of the friend's name, you can take your family member's name. Okay. You can take your family member's name and ask them if they have measured their heights last year. What was their heights in the meters and centimeters, and what was their height in this year in the meter and centimeter, and then find the difference how much they grown up by subtracting. Got it? If one example I give you, wait a minute, Kashvi. If I give you one example is if see here, if I give you, there is one person in my family, name is Ram, and the last year height is 1 meter 25 centimeter, but this year height has grown a little bit, which is 1 meter 35 centimeter. So I want to find out how many centimeter he grown up this year. From 1 meter 35 centimeter, if I subtract 1 meter 25 centimeter, I will get 10 centimeter. This way you can complete the table by writing your, there are 4 to 5 members of your family and their heights you can ask and find the difference. This activity is differ from person to person. This is your individual activity. The answer is not being copied. मैं आपको कोई answer दे दूं, please copy down name, copy down their heights and do this. I cannot give you this until you will not do practically. Am I clear? This activity you need to do practically with your family members and find the difference of the heights, that how much they have grown up this year. Now tell me, Kashvi, what were you asking?
Ma'am, we can write our society friends' name because I played with them.
Okay, you can ask.
Okay.
Now go to the next line. It's given. What is given? Vedant, can you read it?
Imagine. From Imagine.
No, Jampa once read a list of the tallest people.
Remember, Jampa once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is the double of Jampa's height. How tall is Jampa? Dash centimeters.
Yes. Jampa met with the one man. He's the tallest man. Can you see here, Vihan? Vihan, can you see here the tallest man height is 272. It is not 500 or 1000.
Yes,
Tallest to tallest. Even I am also around 160
But
or 170.
I was telling like 50 or 60.
You cannot just guess into 500 and the 1000-meter height,
No,
right?
I was saying like 30 or
1000 centimeters.
20.
Okay. So the tallest man height was 272 centimeter. Then Jampa told, I am the tallest man is just the double of Jampa. So Anay will tell us. So Anay, how much is what is the length of Jampa? If I say I am 4 centimeter taller than you, my height is 4 centimeter. I am starting with small numbers so that you can relate it with the bigger numbers. My height is 4 centimeter. I am just double
He
of
will
Manya.
be 72 centimeter tall.
No, see, I am telling my height is 4 centimeter. I am just double of Manya. So, Anay, how much is Manya then?
2.
Very good. So now if that tallest man is 272 centimeter tall, but the Jampa is Jampa is just the half of this. This person is double of that height. Yes, Manya. Tell me what is the height of Jampa?
Ma'am, I can say,
Yes.
ma'am, it's 270 centimeters.
No. When we are finding the half of any number, we divide by 2. I know Dhyan Patel.
Ma'am, can I say? I know the answer.
Yes.
It is 172.
No.
Ma'am, I can say 544.
272 का half निकालना है because that person is double of Jampa. So means automatically Jampa is half of that person. What is?
It will be 72.
No. Half of 272 centimeter divided by 2. When we are finding the half of any number, divide by 2.
Then the answer will be 126. Ma'am, 135.
No.
Oh. Ma'am, 132.
146.
Ma'am, 112.
272 divided by 2.
170.
136. Try this and do it too.
Oh, just
All
one
right.
number.
Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
I was really close. Just one more bigger number.
We will discuss